Hello everyone, welcome to my official channel Agri Aqua BD. Here you see a beautiful Heliconia. This variety name is Heliconia Psittacorum. Sometimes it called Parrot Heliconia. It's a very beautiful flower, red and orange mix color flower. Here you see. It has green leaves. This plant's origin in America. They love moisture. We usually plant them in the shade area or indirect sunlight area. Which area there are indirect sunlight, bright area. We have many plants of this and we can send worldwide. We only can send its rhizome worldwide with proper documents. We have some varieties of Heliconia, other varieties Heliconia VI, Heliconia Lady DY, and like this. If anyone interested in these plants, please feel free to contact with us. Our Facebook page Agri Aqua BD, our WhatsApp as well as cell number 01715256077. It's also our WhatsApp number, so you can contact with us directly. All our mail ID agriaquabd@gmail.com. Very beautiful flower. Okay everyone, take care, bye.